Hello there. This video, we're going to show you how to connect your pages through Masthead main component. Why are we doing that? Because when you use Masthead to link your pages, you don't have to go back to individual pages to link them. So let's begin. In our previous video, we have already created a home page and subpages. Before we start linking the pages, make sure we double click on the homepage frame and name it as homepage. Do so for the other pages. Preferably name them according to the button titles that you have given to in your masthead. So I will name this second page as program, the third page as booking, fourth page is member, and we have a fifth page. Of course, in the previous video, we did not create a fifth page, but just copy the fourth page, paste it. Don't worry about the image first. Let's just rename it so that we have 5 pages to link from. Fifth being location. So now that we have all these pages, home and 4 other sub pages, in the masthead, zoom in, double click to make sure you are only selecting the logo, not the whole masthead. Go to your right panel, locate prototype. Once you're in prototype mode, as you hover over the logo, on the left, you will see this blue cross appear. At the bottom, a blue cross, the right, and on the top. Because we know that the whole page is on the left of this screen, we'll just click here, drag until we locate home page. As you move your arrow near, you will notice it snaps and the home page is highlighted in blue, released, and then this pop-up will appear. On tab, navigate to home page. That was what we have previously renamed it as. Animation, instant, but we choose Smart Animate. You can go ahead and try the other animations, but for now, let's do Smart Animate. Now let's go back to the masthead. Second page is programs. Similarly, we do not want to, because we are already at prototype mode, see the whole masthead will have this. We don't want that. We want to double click in just to the programs button. Same thing, now we know programs is just below. We choose the bottom cross, click and drag. Notice how the program frame is highlighted in blue. We release. Same thing, on tab, navigate to programs, Smart Animate. Because that was what we have previously selected, naturally it will have this default now. Notice there are 2 lines now from the home page, from the masthead. Let's do for the rest of the buttons. Double click booking, booking, blue cross, click, drag, highlight, snap, release. Same thing for member, select, member is further, to drag, don't release until you find member, highlight, release, same thing. Scroll back, location is the last, choose location, blue, click, drag, across the page, locations, snap, release. What's the benefit of doing this instead of individually? While we are still in prototype mode, this is masthead, because Masthead creates variants or instances. These are all the variants of the main component. Now we select this. Notice that automatically all the links appear from the other pages without having us to go through every single page to re-link everything. And of course, if you're making changes to your main masthead, it all reflects accordingly. So there you go. But of course, we want to test if it works. Select your home page, keyboard, shift space, or click here, shift space to preview. Let it load. Expand it so we can see. We are at home page now. Programs, click. Smart Animate has that animation. Booking. Member. Locations didn't change because we just duplicated it. So now going back to home page by clicking the company logo, in this case it's called Ipsum, click on it. Now this is home page. And that's how we link through the main component masthead. Thank you.